Globalization is a process of interaction and integration among the people, companies, and governments of different nations. A process driven by international trade and investment and aided by information technology. This process has effects on the environment, on culture, on political systems, on economic development and prosperity, and on human physical well-being in societies around the world. Globalization is an unstoppable and potent force that impacts every life. No matter where you live, the increasing connectedness of the world's businesses, information technology, communication networks, media, and educational facilities affect you. Globalization and technology change the way we save, spend, eat, drink, conduct business and think.